Hello, this is Mike from Geopogo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your Revit model, load it through the Geopogo desktop app, and put it into the new Magic Leap 2 AR glasses. So let's begin. So here we're working in Autodesk Revit. And so I have a nice Revit model here. It's a little tiny house. You can do projects of many sizes. So residential, commercial, industrial. Just make sure that the project size and the level of detail and the amount of different layers you have are well in proportion to model size. The Magic Leap 2 will fit about, let's say, 200 to 300 megabytes of information. So when you put it into the ML2, you'll notice your frame rates and things like this either work or you'll get lags. So just watch the model size that you're working with. But a small project like this, we could detail very well and there would be no issues. So as my project's nice and finished here, I'm going to do one thing, and I'm going to export this as a collada file, which will load into the Geopogo desktop editor. So the plugin we're using is through Lumion, and it is found on the Autodesk store, and on the Geopogo website, we also have it available for download. So you'll see here that we have the Lumion plugin, and so you'll install that for Windows. And once complete, you'll hit this export button here. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to click export. We're going to smooth the surface, keep that high, and then we are going to find a place to put the folder. So here I'm just going to create a test account. And we have a model name called the Cascadia, and I'm going to hit save. So once complete, we can now move over to the Geopogo desktop editor.